Oh.
Happy Fab.
Yeah, up.
Up. Sorry.
Yeah.
Up.
Are we going?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Sorry.
we're already getting
No,
into it. Hi guys, I'm Hayley from HappyFabric and we have special guest Katie in today from the Cozy and she's going to be teaching us how to do British Sign Language.
Hi, I'm Katie. I'm from the Cozy, and yeah, so I've come in to see the guys and we're going to do some signing. So
Exciting.
what do you want to learn first?
Should we go to like basics and like hello?
Super
and, like,
basic.
Yeah.
Hello. Everyone asks how you say hi and bye, and it's literally the same. It's just a wave and it's all mouth patterns. So hi and bye.
Oh, brilliant. Hi and bye.
Yeah, and so how are you? You're taking it from your chest and you're just saying, are you good? That's how you say, how are you?
Are you good?
Yeah, how are you?
How are you?
Because otherwise in sign supported English it's like, how are you? It's not like that in British Sign Language. It's just a nice quick.
I like that. It's
Yeah.
like nice and simple.
Like,
I
are you
don't
good?
remember that.
Yeah, so how are you?
Good.
You're good?
Thank you. Can you say
Thank you.
thank you?
So it can be one or both hands. Like if it's just one person, just one. If it's like a group of people, like a big thank you.
I like that.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.
Yeah. And then, it's also please as well. That's really confusing, but it's just like please and thank you, but the mouth pattern's totally different.
Yeah.
So, emotions. So
Yeah.
so you said you're good, you could be happy.
Happy.
So that's like, yep, just round on your hand and then...
Like a smile, I suppose,
yeah,
isn't it?
yeah. Happy, you could be sad. So that's a
Do you do like the motion with it as well?
Yeah,
I
and you
suppose?
have to be really facial. So like, you could be just like sad, or you could be like really sad. So it's all in your face how you do it. Excited. I've been very excited to come and see you. So claw hands on your chest, and then just up and down.
Oh, I like
excited.
that.
It's nearly like you're tickling yourself.
I think I do that naturally anyway.
Yeah,
I'm like
yeah. Sign for happy, so yeah, it goes up your hand, so happy, and then fabric is like feeling fabric, so it's just fabric, like you would. I'm one of those really textural people, so I like to pick things up and feel it. So it's really visual, so yeah, happy fabric.
Oh,
Yeah.
love it. Happy fabric.
So good. Is it pretty enough?